Okay. Hello. It's very silent on the hill right now. Do you see this? Usually this is a huge busy street. We got one car coming down. Anyway, this is the blizzard of the century coming up. I don't know, the water's still melting though, so I don't understand what's going on. There's Tanya. Hello. Coming up on a 18th Amendment. This is a good bar. We'll see what's happening in here.
Oh, she's out.
Sounds like people are jamming. Woo. Anyway, we're continuing walking and walking and walking. You see how people are still open? I think this is Thai.
Do you think it's acid snow?
Okay, we're walking and we're walking. Whew, it's cold. All right, goodbye.